Hey, welcome back, guys. So today we are going to discuss an interesting video regarding Python programming. So in my previous video I have shown you how to establish a connection between client and server. So in today's topic we are going to discuss about how to get the host name, that is how to get the name of the registered computer. So if you are having some laptop, then how you can find out in Python actually on whose name it is registered. So that you can do it in Python shell. So let me just show you how. So you can actually find out the name of your computer. So it's just a new trick in Python. So let me just open a new file here and write a code. So let me just write a comment here. This uh, is the code for getting the name of oops, of a particular computer, I can say. So for this we are writing the code. So first I will import the socket. Import socket, and then I will import time, and actually time is not needed, guys, and I think socket is enough to get the host name. So let me just try with this one. So I will just write machine equal to, so socket dot get host name, and I will leave some brackets, and I will just print that machine. So I will write a string here which says the name of this computer is, so it has to give me the name. And note that, guys, I have just renamed this computer with my channel name, that is it actually, so it should display is it actually. Alright, so I will just save this one. So let us say some name and try to run. So yes, it is displaying the name of this computer is it actually. And if I can show you proof, then let me just open my computer, and there you can see the proof. So go to the system properties, and then you can see here computer name is it actually, and full computer name is it actually. So this is the proof where I will showing you that I'm getting the correct output. So this is the code which will be helping us to get the name of a particular machine on which you are currently executing this code. So I hope this quick trick is useful for you, and to know more about these type of tips and tricks, please follow our channel by subscribing the channel. So thank you, guys, thanks for being here. See you in the next video.